Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be fun. We get to go through some products from Scrapbooking with Me, the boutique, their.com, and I can't wait to share with you all the goodies I got. So this is July's kit. I'm going to start, well, I was actually going to start showing you everything from the kit itself, and then I realized I should probably start with the paper. So let me put some of this to the side, and I'm gonna go through here just real quick some of the pattern paper. And what's really great about the Echo Park paper pads, you get 24 papers and they're double sided, and you're basically getting two of each of the patterns. And I like this because there are some solids, there's some simple polka dots, stripes. I love that craft paper, and there's a few of them with the craft. That's really nice. And then it just starts all over again. So it's you can definitely do a lot of cards, some sketches with them. I know Christy Marcotte, she uses a lot of the 24 paper pads, the 24 sheets. So definitely check her out. And then the ephemera pieces, some of these are really good. They're big enough to be a title if you want to do, a scrapbook page with the 12 by 12, or they could just be a nice size sentiment on an A2 size card, or if you want make a card a little bit bigger, do like a 5 by 7 or even a 6 by 6 square card. The options are endless. So I'm just going real quick here through all the little bits, because sometimes showing you on the back, it's not, it doesn't really show it off as well as going through each piece. I mean, some of these are really cute, they would be nice little, add-ons to a page, or like I said, like some of these are really big, so that would be a really nice front for like your A2 size card, and that's all you would need. So like some different pattern paper, and then that nice big sentiment. So we're just going to put that back in. So we got the 6 by 6 pad, the ephemera. We get the 12 by 12 paper pad, which is all the same pattern papers, except you get the sticker sheet as well. I'm going to try and just go through this, I think, too. And at first I was thinking that they were double sheets, like two of each, but it isn't. But each sheet is double sided. Okay, so definitely a lot of fun can be had with these. Sometimes what I'll do when I get the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6, like I like to have base pattern paper and then build up my sketches on top of it. And sometimes I'll take this 12 by 12 sheet and cut that up. We also got the textured sand paste, which is really gritty, like embossing paste. It's really nice. So if you wanted to create like an ocean scene. We also got this. I'm gonna try and, yep, the cosmic shimmer. Okay, now this stuff you can wet and use on a project. You can add it in with your paste and stuff. It's a lot of fun. There's a lot of different things you can do with that particular product. And then we also got the Heidi Swap spray in the navy. And I've already been playing with this one, because I got this already to record, but I couldn't help myself. It's just such a pretty color, and coming into the fall colors, I think that navy is going to be fun to play with, especially with, the craft paper and stuff like that. I'm looking forward to playing with that. And I just put a little bit down on the paper here. You can see it's nice and dark. I was trying to get it to dry quickly. And I think I wind up like smushing it to like kind of thin it out, but it does have really nice shimmer on it. I'm looking at the piece of paper now that it's dried, but it's got really pretty shimmer. All right. So that all comes in this particular kit. Okay, so you got the, like I said, the ephemera pieces, the 6 by 6, the 12 by 12 paper pad, the spray, shimmer, and the paste. Fun, 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 fun. Now, the kit for August is actually using 1-2 Canoe, and this paper collection is gorgeous, and I can't wait to start using it. I already have ideas for some Friday sketches, so stay tuned. So this one, of course, speaks to me because it has the rose gold foiling on some of the pages. And this particular paper is single-sided, but what I like about it, because it's a 6x8 pad, depending on the direction of the pattern, you can cut it in half and get 2 cards. So if it's a solid pattern and it doesn't matter, then you could cut it in half. Now, some of the ones that are directional, you might have to do like a bigger card and just do like a 5x7 card or something like that. So that way you can get the pattern itself and in the right direction. But some of these, most of these, I think you can do really on the side. That one you can cut in half. Fun little patterns with the pop of rose gold. I think that's really cute. Look at the houses. They're kind of cute too. So like this particular one, I would just put the card horizontal, but still you would be able to get 2 cards. So it's really, you know, a benefit. And sorry about I keep playing with my mouse, and I apologize. Trying to get stuff off my computer and show you guys all at the same time. And this pattern right here is super funky. There's something about it though. And then we start back over again. Now there are a few patterns that are 2 of, and then there's some that are going to be just 1 that may not have a second one in the pattern. So don't be confused if you get this particular kit. It is set up like that. So I'm just going to flip through real quick and get all the way to the end. There's that funky one again. And then look, avocado. Very interesting little paper pack there. And then we get these foam thickers, which are really great. You got the smile, the camera, the flower. Now, some of these are probably too big for like your regular A2 size card as far as the words. But I like the different images, like the little house, the flowers. I think those could fit on the card front. We got a delicata in the rose gold. We also got this date stamp. We got an embossing folder from Doris, which is really great. It's like a flower, and it's similar to some of the flowers in the pattern. I was just trying to put some paper underneath so you could kind of see it better. And then we also got the ephemera pack. Now this one, I don't think I take this one out. Because there's no easy way to take those out, and I don't want to lose them all. And then we also get the rub-ons, which the rub-ons would work on really well for a card front as well, or with a layout. It doesn't always have to go with a specific collection. If you have something else that has rose gold in it, it would work with that as well. So I think these are fun elements that you can definitely add to your collection and have lots of funs with it. So here are close-ups of all the images from the 2 kits. So that was for July and August. And definitely keep an eye out, because I'll be trying to use especially the August one, because I have tons of ideas for them. In the July one, I'm hoping to get some summer photos from family and stuff, so that way I can scrap with those as well. And make sure I will have links down below to all of Scrapbooking with Me Boutique's onlines, the .com, and the Facebook pages. And if you go there and purchase anything that's not on sale, use the coupon code TT15, so that's TT15, to get an extra 15% off on those particular items. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.